Hi guys, how to import files in OpenShot? It's really simple. We have our OpenShot open. If your interface do not look like mine, go to View, then Views. From here, select the Advanced View. Then there are three ways to import files. But before we import files, make sure that your file format is supported by the OpenShot. These are the file formats which are supported by the OpenShot. Now get back to the OpenShot. Now to import file, go to File, Import Files, then the file directory, suppose inside the E drive. Select the file and click on Open. Also you can drag and drop, suppose this one, left click, hold, drag it over the OpenShot icon, release it. Now to use the file, just left click, hold and drag it over the timeline. Also you can use a specific part of a video. For that, right click, split clip, then the part you want to use, suppose from here, click on start, then the end point, click on end, then give it a name like custom clip, press on create. Now we can use only that specific part of this video like this. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.